When Amanda and Josh Zorowski found out they were expecting a baby girl, they were overjoyed. The name they picked for her, Willow.
I mean, it was magical. The first 17 weeks were very easy, very smooth sailing.
But just before week 18, something felt wrong. Amanda's body was preparing for labor too early. The news from her doctor was devastating.
She said pretty quickly, all in one breath, you're going to lose the baby. She's not going to survive. I thought what they would do is go in and intervene immediately, but she told me that they couldn't because the baby's heart was still beating and I wasn't sick.
Laws in Texas ban doctors from performing abortions except when a medical emergency endangers a person's life or major bodily function. Those who violate the law could face up to life in prison.
Take me into what it was like to wait.
I just existed in sorrow and fear. I was really, really scared.
This just isn't something that you do with any other kind of medical issue, is you have to ask, am I sick enough to get treatment? It was infuriating.
3 days after the diagnosis, Amanda's health deteriorated. Doctors performed an abortion, but serious infections led to sepsis, and Amanda spent 3 days in the ICU.
Because of the law, I very nearly died. Nothing about this is pro-life.
Now Amanda is part of a group of 7 plaintiffs represented by the Center for Reproductive Rights who plan to file a lawsuit against the state of Texas tonight.
Until there is a legal fight, nothing's going to change, and something has to change.
But John Segal, president of Texas Right to Life, who helped craft the Texas Heartbeat Act, says the law is clear as written and that doctors like Amanda's are misinterpreting it.
If they are saying they have to delay and wait the days like you're talking about, that is medical malpractice. But if it is uncertain that this child may survive or may not, Texas is saying we don't jump to conclusions.
Doctors are saying the law is not clear, and as a result, I'm going to act on the side of being cautious, and that means that I might have to wait for a woman to get sicker and sicker before I can perform an abortion that I know she needs.
And that's the wrong conclusion.
Nancy Northup is the president of the Center for Reproductive Rights.
The issue here is not that the doctors are being too cautious. The reality is, without clarification of this Texas law, without a change in the circumstances that are happening today, it is going to come that women are going to die.
Segal disagrees.
The law is not putting lives in danger. The law is black and white about what a doctor can do and what he cannot do.
Does it ever give you pause that there are situations that have happened after this law where women's lives have been put at risk?
Yes, our mission is to save lives. So the fact that some women's lives have been jeopardized is something that we take very seriously.
Little outfit.
Amanda and Josh are still grieving their loss.
I know.
Damn onesie gets me every time.
They hope something changes.
I want nothing more than to have kids, but I'm terrified to be pregnant again.
Yamiche Alcindor, NBC News, Austin, Texas.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.